they did not got anything to eat, they enter the human settlement and they kill and carry away cattle. Today we are going to continue. First, we are going to know about farmer. Farmers are the most hardworking around the world and always busy working hard for their crops during day and night. In the textbook, there is one question. Use your brain power. Why do farmers set up a scarecrow and use slingshots when the crops in their field are ready for harvesting? Can you give answer of this question, children? Okay, I will tell you. Farmers grow different types of cereals and pulses in their fields. When the crop becomes ready for harvesting, the ears become full of grains. Then the birds from surrounding area come together in flocks to feed on these grains. Due to this, the crops are destroyed. Therefore, to shoo away the birds, farmers use slingshots. When a scarecrow is set up, birds think that there is someone standing in the field. This scares the bird, and thus, to protect the crops from birds, these methods are used. Children, all of you are going to write the answer of this question on the textbook itself. Okay, now see, we see many differences in what birds eat do. All these differences you can see on your screen. Children, see very carefully how birds are eating so many things. Many birds eat grain. Farmers grow a variety of cereals and pulses in their fields. As the crop becomes ready for harvesting, the ears become full of grains. Birds in the surroundings come in flocks to feed on these grains. They can destroy the crop. What is done to prevent such destruction? Scarecrow is the best method which is used by farmers to shoo away the birds from the field. It is easily possible for birds to find grains in areas where people live. That is why some birds live in such areas. Now all of we know that we are using so many types of cereals and grains and pulses and all those things, and birds very easily get all these things where people live, and that's the reason birds live in such areas. Other birds feed on other kinds of food. Hens eat worms. Crows eat the flesh of dead animals. Some birds eat the fruits of trees. Okay, all these things you can observe from our surroundings. Some insects nibble at and eat leaves of plants. Butterflies feed upon the nectar they find in flowers. Very nicely they have shown picture of bedbug, then tick, then lizard and butterfly on the textbook page number 71. Animals eat the food they find in nature. However, they have to wander from place to place in search of food. If it is not possible to find out their food on one place,